Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today, we're taking a closer look at MoneyLion and their personal loan options, found at www.moneylion.com/personal-loan/. This platform offers a streamlined approach to borrowing, potentially providing a quick solution for those unexpected expenses or planned projects. While navigating the world of personal loans can be tricky, MoneyLion aims to simplify the process with a user-friendly online experience. They offer a range of loan amounts and repayment terms, designed to fit various budgets and financial situations. When exploring their website, you'll find tools and resources that can help you understand the specifics of their loan offerings, including interest rates, fees, and eligibility requirements. It's crucial to carefully review these details to determine if a MoneyLion personal loan aligns with your individual needs and financial goals. Remember, responsible borrowing involves understanding the full terms and conditions before committing to any financial agreement. By visiting their website, you can access a wealth of information designed to empower you to make informed decisions. They also emphasize responsible lending practices, providing resources to help borrowers understand the implications of taking on a loan. Make sure to thoroughly investigate and compare different loan providers before making a final decision. This will allow you to choose the best option tailored to your specific circumstances and financial goals. MoneyLion might be a suitable option for some, but it's always wise to conduct thorough research and compare it with other lenders in the market. Be sure to explore their FAQ section and other resources available on the website to get a comprehensive understanding of their services. They aim to provide clear and transparent information about their loan products, empowering you to make a well-informed choice. Consider using online comparison tools and reading reviews from other borrowers to gain a more complete picture of MoneyLion's offerings within the broader context of personal loan options available. This will equip you to navigate the borrowing process confidently and choose the loan that best suits your financial situation.